Hey everybody, this is Brad Weston again at Renewed Vision. We're at InfoComm 2016, and another one of our products that we're really excited to show here is ProVideoPlayer. ProVideoPlayer, or PVP as we like to call it. The PVP acronym I actually like to also use as an acronym for Pro Video Processor, because it's not only a playback engine, it's also a video processing engine. So any kind of screen that you're using, whether it be a traditional LCD screen or projector, or new LED screens that are available, like so many are at InfoComm here, ProVideoPlayer is a perfect application to not only playback video on those screens, but also take live video inputs and show them on whatever your screens are. So ProVideoPlayer has got the ability to actually take multiple inputs as well as create multiple outputs. We've got a number of different projects where we were using multiple outputs out of, say, a Mac Pro. So we could have like 6 different outputs out of a Mac Pro and process a large number of pixels for a large number of projection screens, LCD screens, and LED screens, and the like. So ProVideoPlayer is a media server in a traditional sense, in that you can actually control it with a lighting console, or from MIDI events, or from even a video switcher if you like. But it is really designed for scenic imagery, which would be for concerts or video staging, digital signage whenever you have video walls and the like. And it allows you to actually, on the fly, trigger different clips. So on our video wall that we've actually got here in the booth, we've got different sizes of LEDs. We've got a 4mm wall here, a 3mm wall here, and a curved 3mm LED screen here. I have a number of different layers that are actually playing. One is the video that's in the background, which presently is showing this droplet of water falling in the water, and this is just running in a loop from a number of different stock content. Well, we have a number of different targets for that background video. So we actually have content that's playing full screen on the center, and then I actually have it cropped in on the outside. So you can have a number of different targets for the same video content. Each layer can have a number of different targets that you're actually using. And then we have other layers sitting on top of that, such as our logos that are at the top, software by Renewed Vision, as well as an alpha-keyed video that just show all the different features of our products that we just have running. So we're actually using ProVideoPlayer as a digital signage tool right here within our booth to show off the features of our own software. So essentially we are eating our own dog food. But ProVideoPlayer is a great tool for a lot of different environments because it gives you so much functionality. If I wanted to have a live video input and put it as a picture-in-picture within here, I can do that. It has edge blending capabilities built in to the software. You have the ability to create a pixel space and create rotations and whatnot right within the software for any type of visual display that you can think of. So it's really quite a great offering. I like to think of it as an image processor, as I said, for whatever kind of environments you have. So a lot of corporate environments these days, you actually have a scenic cyc wall that's generally using 4 or 5 different projectors all edge blended together, and then you're showing pictures in picture of different content, whether it actually be a live video feed, which we can actually process with very, very low latency. So we're talking 2 or 3 frames of latency to the projectors, as well as playing different inputs. So it could be an input from your computer for the slides that your presenters are actually using, or the IMAG shots from a camera switcher and the like. So a lot of different functionality within ProVideoPlayer. We also have a lot of different video effects. So as I'm playing this video that's actually got a lot of colors, I can actually do a color effects adjustment and say, all right, I want to do a sepia tone, or I'll just do a color filter and make everything in this we'll say in blue. So now you can see I've changed everything to blue. Of course, it does that when it goes to the sky, so let me make it red or yellow or purple or whatnot. That's just one such effect. I can blur, I can do ripples, and you can also save all of these different effects. So all these effects are actually processing on the fly with multiple outputs. Again, we've got a lot of different fixed installations that are actually using this that are on schedules. So for hotels and restaurants and tourism, that kind of thing, you can actually do a lot of different installations that are triggered on schedules. We also have a lot of interactivity built into the software. So you need GPI control, or the ability to actually follow time codes. So if you're doing a live staging event and you need to follow LTC time code, we can take an LTC time code input and have videos follow your time code in that capacity. So a lot of different functionality, again, whether it be for tourism, entertainment, fixed installations in hotels and conference centers and whatnot. We think you'll find a lot of functionality that ProVideoPlayer gives you for both live inputs as well as canned content that would be very, very compelling for you. And it works very well with our Pro Presenter products and our Pro Video Server products as well. So would encourage you to check that out at renewedvision.com. We've got a number of different portfolios and some fun projects that we've done. One that I'd encourage you to look at, if you actually look on the top of our website at renewedvision.com, you'll see the Waikiki Pool Project. This is actually a fun project that involves a environmental projection inside a swimming pool. It runs 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock every night in Waikiki, Hawaii, and it is at it's been running now for 2 years off of a Mac Pro and a standard trash can. What we call the standard trash can Mac Pro, $3,000 box. It's been running now for 2 years nightly. I'd encourage you to check that out because it's a really, really cool project involving a 4096 pixel by 4096 pixel video that we're cutting up on the fly. Again, all with ProVideoPlayer, scheduling within ProVideoPlayer, even GPI events that change the audio input from the standard Muzak that they're playing to the soundtrack for the show itself. Again, renewedvision.com, check out our portfolio, and it's ProVideoPlayer 2. Got a lot of new updates for ProVideoPlayer coming as well that we're really excited about, so stay tuned because I think you're going to really be excited for what we have coming. So thanks a lot, renewedvision.com, and we'll see you next time.